Welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Bordhapur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Today we will be analyzing some of the important news from the Assam Tribune dated 20th March 2021 along with some other important news. In the description box below, we have provided the link for e-paper which you can download it from there. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. So the first news for today is regarding the visit of US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin. This is the first visit of any top Biden administration official, and before visiting India, Japan and South Korea এই দুখন নেশনত visit কৰিছে Defense Secretary of USA. এই to visit হয়, this will focus on expansion of strategic security ties along with some issues which relates to international, regional and bilateral interests, mutual interests, right? Yar logote kisuman defense sector news o discuss sector news or important issues kisuman discuss kora hobo. This visit has been termed by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a force for global good, and it has occurred after the Quad grouping of India, US, Japan and Australia on factors relating to maintaining peace and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The next news is about Tanzania's first female president. Samia Suluhu Hassan, at the age of 61, made history by becoming the first female president of Tanzania, and she was sworn at a government office, State House in Dar es Salaam, in the country's largest city. She comes from Zanzibar. It is an island in the Indian Ocean, and she is the only other current serving female head of the state in Africa, alongside Ethiopia's Saleh Work Zewde, who has only a ceremonial role. She got this opportunity to create history after the death of Tanzania's former president John Magufuli due to some health related issues. Next in news is Italy signs framework agreement of the International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance, this was jointly launched by India and France, in Paris during the COP21, which had an aim to contribute to the Paris Climate Agreement through deployment of solar energy. Renewable source of energy solar energy is a renewable source of energy, and A2 energy use kori pelai keneke those countries who either lie in the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn completely or partly, they are going to address their special energy needs. And yar kisuman objectives ase ISA, which includes addressing the common challenge to scale up solar energy application. And solar energy application jodi ami borhai diu tetia hole amar renewable source or upor dependency to bahi jabo, and that way environment pollution to some extent komibo, right? And then another objective is to reduce cost of finance to increase investment in solar energy in the member countries. Third objective includes facilitate collaborative R&D activities among these countries. Along with it, the ISA plans to launch a World Solar Bank, which will be a green grid initiative, and a Sun Charter at the United Nations Climate Change Conference meet, and this is planned to be held in November 2021. Currently, more than 90 countries have signed the ISA framework agreement. Next news is a campaign launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti, Catch the Rain campaign. This was launched in the year 2020 to encourage the states and stakeholders to create rainwater harvesting structures, which are suitable to the climatic conditions and the subsoil strata, with people's active participation. Rainwater harvesting or kotha ami sobe janu, it is a way to collect rainwater during rainy season so that water which is collected can be used for various purposes, right? It saves a lot of water and makes good use of the rainwater, right? And this particular activity, this particular scheme includes a lot of activities, which includes checking of dams, creating water harvesting pits, removal of obstruction in the channels, repairing of step wells, etc. And in order to facilitate these activities, the states have requested to open rain centers in each district. The next news is regarding artificial photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process to bikhoye ami sobe jano. It is the natural process through which plants prepare their own food and also release oxygen into the environment with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, green pigment of chlorophyll, okay, and in turn they use it and turn it into chemical energy. Similar technology eta assigned kora hoise by the scientists to use an integrated catalytic system which will harness solar energy, and it will eventually reduce the level of carbon dioxide. This technology is similar to artificial leaf, which is another technology to use sunlight and produce syngas, otherwise made from fossil fuel, and this could be used to create sustainable liquid fuel, which can be an alternative to petrol. Syngas, synthetic gas, is currently made from the mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide and is used to produce a range of commodities like pharmaceuticals, fuels, plastics and fertilizers, okay. So this is a step towards a greener environment to reduce the pollution level. Next to news hoy, it is about Lake Baikal. Russia has deployed an underwater telescope named Baikal GVD in lake in this particular lake, and this telescope is used to search for neutrinos, which are massless subatomic particles with no electrical charge. Lake Baikal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was declared in the year 1996. It is the 7th largest lake in the world by surface area and considered to be the world's oldest lake as well. This is the world's deepest lake also, deepest and the oldest. Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world, containing roughly 20% of world's unfrozen surface fresh water. This lake is located in southern Siberia and is a rift lake in Russia. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again on Monday with another session of newspaper analysis at Borthakur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Till then, take care and keep learning. Thank you.